Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to do color replacing in Picsart, or how you can replace a color in a photo using Picsart. So after importing your photo to Picsart, just go to effects and then find the color effect, this one, colors, and then click on the color replace. Then after that, just drag the color picker into the color that you want to replace. Okay, I want to change this orange color. So to replace it, you can just adjust the replace hue by dragging it to the left or right like this. Adjust it into the color that you want. So let's say I want to change it into a red color like this, and you can just click on a check icon when you're done, and that's it. That is how you can replace a certain color in a photo using Picsart. I hope this tutorial will be helpful, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like, and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Thank you.